The blinking amber light on your Rogers Ignite or Xfinity modem indicates a no signal or WAN issue, meaning your modem can't connect to the internet service. The primary cause is often insufficient RF radio frequency signal strength from the cable line. Begin by power cycling your modem, unplug it for 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. While it restarts, inspect all coax cables connected to your modem and wall outlets for any visible damage, kinks, or loose connections. Hand tighten any loose connections. If the light persists after the modem restarts, allowing several minutes, the problem likely lies with the signal strength or coax splitters. Coax splitters divide the cable signal for multiple devices, but they can degrade signal quality. Locate any splitters connected to your modem's coax cable. Ensure they are high quality, 1 GHz rated splitters, and check for corrosion or damage. Ideally, the modem should be connected directly to the main cable line without splitters for optimal signal strength. If splitters are necessary, minimize their use. As a test, temporarily bypass any splitters by connecting the modem directly to the incoming cable line. If the amber light turns solid, the splitter was likely the problem. Replace faulty splitters with new, high-quality ones. If issues persist after these steps, especially if you experience fluctuating speeds or signal strength, contact Rogers or Xfinity support. It could indicate a broader service outage or a problem with the cable line itself.